This video is going to go through the custom dashboards where you can see your gross margin on your custom home, as well as the tasks related to that custom home. So we're going to go into our sales application. We're going to create our quote, sell this to Bob Johnson, and we have our custom home product here. This home is going to be sold for $250,000. I can confirm this order on my end, and then we see the project and tasks created. We also see the analytic account here that's associated with our budget. We now can go in and see our, let's create the invoice first. We can, for the simplicity's sake, I'm just going to create a regular invoice. You could also create the down payment. So when we go into our dashboard now, which I also have right here, we can see the tasks. We can also see the budget here. So we have our budget here for $250,000. If I go in here now, I can see the tasks and I can actually click into them. I can also click into the budget item here. If we go into, for example, I have it also pulled up here. If we go into our purchase app and I go in and create a PO for some supplies, for example, we want to buy from our supplier. Let's do nails for an example, and I can then specify it's for Bob Johnson's house, and I can also specify what type of account this is going to go under. So nails, I'm going to put under fasteners. I can also add in wiring, for example, and that can also be for Bob Johnson. And then we can also do wiring under our wiring. As you notice down here, we also have some of our miscellaneous, like electrical miscellaneous or roofing miscellaneous or lumber. Maybe we also want to purchase lumber from the supplier. So for Bob Johnson, we're going to purchase this under lumber. Put in your prices. So nails, we spent $1,000 on. Wiring, we spent $5,000 on. Lumber, we spent $20,000. Now we can then confirm. We can receive our products. We can create the bill. You can also create your bill right there as well. You can also use the expense application to do this as well. So now when your employees are out in the field purchasing, and so when we go into our gross margins, we can see the total amount for the home revenue. We can see what we spent on each purchase. So this one's our PO for wiring, lumber, fasteners, and you'll see all the transactions related to wiring, fasteners, lumber, and etc. of what you want to tag the expense as. You'll also be able to see the total revenue here, and then overall you'll be able to see the margin on your current home you're building. You'll also be able to go into your tasks here. You can actually click directly into them, and so that's when you can start and track time related to those tasks. So this, maybe we'll put in 10 hours. You can actually just add it as a line item instead of using the stopwatch. You can do that down here. We can say roof